Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Next Level. I have created a new playlist in which current GD topics will be uploaded so you can brush up and boost your knowledge with these topics. One GD topic will be uploaded every week. This is a short introductory video about group discussion. As you all know how important GD is in today's world, it is an effective tool in problem solving, decision making, and personality assessment. Having GD skills may ensure academic success, popularity, and good job offers. Nowadays, almost every recruiters hold a GD round for the candidates. Group discussion is a group activity, or in simple words, it is a process in which a group of candidates is given a topic or situation and allotted a certain time limit in which they have to think, and then they are allowed to discuss among themselves for 15 to 20 minutes. There are many different types of GD. First and foremost is factual and general. This category of GD often contains the topic to which we are familiar with. In this, the candidate has to show that how aware they are or how much knowledge they acquire other than the subjects. Also, how they are going to present themselves in a group. Example, is India ready to bring all the alternative of 59 applications that are recently banned? Second one is case study. In this, the whole group is made to think and deal with some real life situation. All the required information will be given and you are asked to resolve the situation as a whole group. The third topic is controversial. This is the topic in which each and every one has to keep their points very rationally and argue logically for his or her views on the topic, keeping in mind that his or her personal emotions should not interfere during the discussions. Example, existence of God, religious and political views. Everyone has their own perspective in these topics. The fourth topic is abstract. Topics under this category has to be interpreted according to the thinking or based on how much creativity a candidate has. Example, all that glitters is not gold. Second example is, there is no right way to do a wrong thing. Now, this is the most important thing an interviewer wants from the candidates. First, communication skills. The interviewers wants to know how good is the communication of the candidates. Second is the behavior, how the candidate is appreciating and accepting other point of views as well, how they are working as a team and who is taking the initiative to start, how much a candidate is participating in the discussion. Fifth one is in fact how much an individual is contributing to the discussion. The ultimate tips to crack any group discussion. First, listen to the subject carefully and start thinking about it in the given time limit to gather some related information. Second, if you are very sure and clear with your topic, then you can easily take the initiative to start and introduce the topic. Thereby, you will be gaining attention in the group. But if you're not so sure with the topic, then wait, take your time, listen to others, and try to push yourself to pitch in the discussion. You can also give some facts and figures if required, which will create a very positive impact. Fourth one is sometimes it happens that the topic gets heated up, so at that time take care that you don't lose your temper. Instead of being aggressive, at that time you should be assertive. Assertive here means keeping your points in a more positive way. You can sit with a pen and a notebook as well, as you can jot down all the important points that have been discussed so far, which would be beneficial at the time of summarizing the topic. Also, you can note some of the name of the participated candidates and use them while discussing in your own way. Finally, keep in mind that GDs are always summarized and never concluded. So, To summarize, one should use all the important lines that you have jotted down previously, which signifies that you have acknowledged others' opinion too. You have to state your opinion as well. Importantly, try to find a set of ideas between two opposing views that the candidate can agree upon. Remember, your grammar or communication skills can be considered or managed if you are confident enough to present yourself. So, try always to have eye contact and maintain your body language throughout. If you like our videos, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.